Actually, Ricardo D'Souza is a dear friend of mine. And Ricardo D'Souza's business is in the constituency where I am the MLA. We are actually business partners also in a lot of other projects. And he wanted to sell 50% of the stake, that is 49% of the stake, for the last 2 years. But today he is thinking of selling the whole business. So it is his personal decision. But if any person is involved to harass him, and if he tells me, we will take action. If any government officer is involved to harass him, we will take action. And he is a dear friend of mine. We always supported him, and we will always support him. And there is no sale deed which has happened or transfer of the company which has happened. It seems the person has just given a token money that he is buying Club Tito's, which is a private limited company today. So Tito's Hospitality or whatever it is called, if it is sold, it will be transfer of company. The entire shares of the company will be transferred to that, or he'll buy the whole company only. It's a company transfer. So far nothing has happened. I will convince him that he should keep 51% of the shares of the company, because Tito's is a brand which was started by his father. It is his ancestral business. It is his traditional business which has come from generation to him, and he should pass it on to the next generation. So I feel that he should keep this brand, which is a local Goan brand. The brand Goa is concerned about this.
पण त्याने एक डेप्युटी कलेक्टराचें नाव घेतलं की करप्शन केलं, करप्ट म्हणून.
That time Holi was on, and Holiच्या टायमार COVID situation was bad in Goa. So day party was stopped. Holi रंग लावपाचो पार्ट्यो जे आहा त्यो बंद आसलेलो. So ते कितें तरी आसतलें misunderstanding. I will speak to him. If there is any other allegation which he is telling me, we will take action.